guy over there.
Mommy. Salad works.
Watch out, Xavier on the road, y'all. Get out the way. On our way to the surprise. Stay tuned. DavisCrew. Oh, the clouds. Surprise.
Is that one for a Tesla?
No.
Come on.
So they're shocked. They were in a Tesla because I don't want, see right there. They rode in a Tesla. They right now. So yep, Army. I mean yeah, DavisCrew. So yeah, we're here. They're here. And stuff. All right, we're up on the 4th floor. OMG. Okay, so we're looking for. Okay.
No, it's
This way. This way. Oh, the ice machine not working. Could very inconvenient.
right there.
We all the way. I've never been on the 4th floor before. No, it's not.
I know it's open.
It's not open.
I know a life hack.
No, don't do that. Just let him open it, Xavier. Okay, close it. Turn on the light. Put the key. All right, so this is the room. It's really nice. They have a little refrigerator. They have a refrigerator right here. A microwave. Okay. And a bathroom. The bathroom is really nice.
There's one bed. No, that's a bed. No, this don't move.
Okay, the TV right there. Our bags. They have the couch. I believe that's a pull-out couch. Yes, it is a pull-out couch. So that's good. Nice room. It's really nice. And look, on the TV, it has my name. So cool. That's so cool. Yep, and let's see our view.
This is so scary. This is so scary.
Oh, the view is...
Scary.
It's like downstairs in the parking lot, so yeah, the view of the cars driving past. Okay. Okay, DavisCrew, we're about to go. We'll check back in later.
6 months. Oh.
Okay, bye. Wait. What's up, DavisCrew? We are playing Trickyard. It's a Jamaican game. So yeah, so basically what it is, shuffle it up. So we're gonna show you. All right, guys. So let me show you how to play this. Okay, so basically, you're gonna shuffle the deck. Shuffle the deck. This is how you play. Okay, so I'm gonna give him 1, 2. He gets 3. I get 3, and I turn 1 over. Okay, so like that. So now I pick this up, and that's my card. If I had 3 of this, that's what we could say flush. 3 of this flush, 3 of that flush. Now you pick up your card. See if you have 3 of this one or 3 of the spades or heart. No? Okay, so then you pick because I'm the one that dealt the card.
Plus, you're gonna have to do them eventually. Next time we keep working
Okay.
for free. He's not working for free. I'm paying the money my dad gives me.
Okay, so we just keep going until we pick a card that we need from the deck. Do you need this one? No? Okay. Okay, so the 6 right here, I need the 6. So I'll put the 6 down. Wait, I need a 6, so I put the 6 on the deck. So now he's gonna pick a card. Do you need the 4? And I need the 4. So now I'm waiting for 1 card, guys. So I have to pick this one to win. So I'm just gonna sit this card right here, and I'm just gonna keep picking it until I get it.
Now I need one right there.
So now we both have 1 cards, and we're picking to see who's gonna win. Let me bring you guys closer. Okay.
No, do you want to?
Hey, somebody get to 7 now because I need 7.
It's not about that.
You need a 7?
Yeah.
Play duels again?
I needed a 3. I was kidding.
We both need. I won. I'm the champ. That's my second game winning. I won. Now they over there talking to his friend and on the phone. He got his earphones and everything on.
Guess what?
Say hi. Say hi to DavisCrew. So yeah. Guys, so me and Xavier, we're playing high card, low card. So let's see who's gonna win. Okay. So he put the 2. So far, this is my pile that I collected. That's his pile. So we're gonna see who's gonna win. So, okay. So basically, he put the 2. I put the 7. I win. High card, low card. He put the 3. I put the 7. I win. Okay. So just like that. Oh, let's finish this. We're almost done.
He said that he wanna push. He said that he wanna.
Okay, so I won. I won.
He wanna push.
I won.
Rigged.
You won. It's rigged. You won. You won. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish up this game. DavisCrew, see you guys soon. Bye. Oh wait, let me tell you who won. So I did the ace game because I only have a few cards left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up quickly. You won. I don't know if I'm gonna win. That's me. You won. Okay, let's see. This is the last card. Who takes it? I did. I won.
It's
I won. He's saying it's rigged. How? If he won, it would have been fine. Okay, I won. All right,
Yeah,
I'll be back,
exactly.
Army. I'll be back, DavisCrew. Bye. Dinner time. Pizza and someone garbage on the floor.
You see the book like this. Hi, God.
All right, you guys. So yes, that's dinner. 1 side cheese, 1 side sausage, and me, I have the wrap, the buffalo chicken sandwich wrap. It looks pretty good. All right, so we're about to do breakfast time. Trying to see what they have. Everything is open now. Before it was in a plastic post-pandemic. It's in a cereal. Bananas and stuff. So that's the breakfast. I got them yogurt, banana, biscuit, sausage, egg and cheese biscuit, omelet. Got the same for them, and this is mine. I got me a skillet, just potatoes, eggs, and all that good stuff. A banana and a peach yogurt. So I got, and look at the babies. They still sleeping, y'all. The babies is tired. They stayed up till 2. So they was living their best life last night. Now they tired, y'all. I'm up. I'll be back, DavisCrew. Bye. Guys, what's up? So bad news. When we checked in last night, they said the pool is closed and will be open today. So we're all dressed, as you can see. We're all dressed. We get downstairs, they're saying the pool is still closed after they told me it was going to be open today. So a bit of a bummer. You know, the pool is the experience why people come to the hotel. But hey, we make the best out of the day. So ain't nothing you can do. Oh, look at their disappointed face. But it's okay. The beach is still open, so we'll do that another day. All right, Davis Family Fun. This concludes the vlog. Thank you for staying tuned. And as always, stay blessed, families. Bye.